Royal Sound family.
Royal Sound.
Hannibal. Sempah. RaSpect Fyahbingi. I and I Jah Prayer. We are lions of Jah.
I am Hannibal.
Will things be the same way all the time?
Things have changed, the whole of Africa are rearranged. Only the wicked man a do something so strange. Picking different pieces, putting them in different places. And now with my age, all I see is different faces. We lack the understanding of our coloring. Pure evil foolishness is what we've all been smothered in. Get your head at the clouds, my misled brethren. Come down and check out what Babylon has been covering from you and me too. At first I didn't know what to do, but now I must fight for what's right, and that's equal rights and justice. Babylon want the equal to be them for criminal power, for them fear, money, wealth and luxury. Me want the bodies back, and me in a me country. Batman get knocked off like Humpty Dumpty. Boy, I see them coming, I see them coming from high. Them not show no love in their hearts for mankind. I see them coming, I see them coming from high.
Cleverly, don't know
Things just never change. Get a youth a get blamed. Nothing Babylon a stop discriminate. Things just never change. Our life them suffocate. When we dead them drink rum and celebrate. Things just never change. Down in Africa I get rape and them still not accommodate. But things a figure change. Mentally and physically teach the youth them no keep up no folly. Yeah, I saw the light like Moses saw the burning bush. The youth them on the edge of Babylon not try to push. Rastaman have the knowledge so you can't tell me fish shoes. No day, no day, no day. Cause I need to know. I could have whatever preach. Yes, I need to know. Yeah, cause the righteousness we are seeing. I see them coming, I see them coming from high. Them not show no love in their hearts for mankind. I see them coming, I see them coming from high. Them not show no love, them not show no love.
Africa free African, yo, tell me you know see. Babylon want we fall, but you know them can reach. Yes, Shaka Zulu pick me from we soul to we feet. Free the people is a joy, make we do it. And a computer brain so you can't press the King Selassie on the throne, pagan can't take him seat. My fuck ya we don't tell we how we chat to the east. Repatriation you see, hey. And them can't take away me heritage, because my roots and my culture is my evidence. Now, bring back the gold and the diamond way thief. Yeah, dash a prayer upon a dirty pestilence. God the lion is roaring on the streets now. Wow. So Jarrett, we must have bigger dreams. Dash.
I see them coming, I see them coming from high. Them not show no love in their hearts for mankind. I see them coming, I see them coming from high.
Fyahbingi.
Lion heart, there's no taming us. So we still have the locks, them not shaving off. And we still not gun them from the bacon shop. And we burn every shackle and chain on us. See a mother start crying, she prays to God. She prays that the fight and the pain will stop. But she stop on the dream as she's waking up. And she stop on the system enslaving us. How can we achieve one love if there's no justice? There's just us. But we still like a fight till the war is off. Chanting rights and justice for all of us. Now what you say is what you does. So most politicians never talk too much. And the righteous one, they will call us love. And the wicked one will call us dangerous.